We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a 2018 GLC coupe protected with a Ghost 2 immobiliser. So if someone got this key, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. Or if they pop the button out, pop the key in, and went to steal it doing that, still not going to start up. So what the customer's got to do when they get in the vehicle, we'll just pop this button back in because that's how they're going to use it. They'll turn the ignition on, so foot off the brake, double tap the start button until all the lights come on. They'll pop their unique code in, so for now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a double flash from the full beam. Now foot on the brake, we can start the car and it runs. If the customer wants to change the code on this vehicle, what they'll do, turn the ignition on with a double tap, foot off the brake, pop their code in, which proves it's them, get a double flash. Now foot to the floor on the accelerator, repeat the code again. When the full beam starts to flash, we can lift our foot off, it's ready to teach it a new code. So for now, we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, every time we press a button, we get a flash. When we're done, we'll stop, we'll get 3 flashes, 3. Now repeat the code again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're done, we'll pause and we'll get 2 flashes confirming the code set. There we go, now we'll turn the car off. So next time we get in the vehicle, we'll double tap for the ignition on, pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive our double flash, foot on the brake, start the car. If this is going for a service, we'll go to the driver's window, pull it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times while it's disarmed. We'll get 5 flashes. That's done, so when we turn the vehicle off, now it's in service mode, that means you can give Mercedes the key. The Ghost is completely switched off, so long as they don't take it on a long road test. It's going to be a normal vehicle, fire up without a code, and they can drive it around the workshop, do what they need to do. Turn it back on. When you get the vehicle back, double tap, get your ignition on, do your code, get your double flash, and the system's back on. So we'll just turn the car off, give it a couple of seconds to set, and then try starting without the code, and make sure the vehicle's secure and protected. As you can see, it's not starting, it's going to need the code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Ghost 2 immobiliser on a 2018 GLC. Thanks for watching.